What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Micron technology guys. So this thing gave me just what I was looking for. I'm in this trade now and let's go over the update. So I also want to recommend you to check out this video of mine that I did over the weekend. This one, Micron stock, will this pullback turn bearish? And this will give you a lot of understanding of the background already. But in this video, I'll be explaining you as well again. So, all right. So guys, yes, I was looking for a cool off. And oh, wait, before I forget, I want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion, that's all. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. Okay, so let's begin. Also hit the like and subscribe guys if you find my videos valuable and helpful. All right, so the cool off play, the sell off play that I was looking for, and you can see there are two boxes here. Well, two positions that I was looking at, right? And let's first talk about that. And this is what you can also find in my over the weekend video that I did on Micron. Check that out, guys. Check that out. Okay. So a couple of things. So, and I need to extend this trend line here for this video as well. Okay. So this was, okay, let's go through the first our thesis here. So this was the trend line that was being supported in support. I'm just trying to match the pivots here. Here we go. This was the trend line in support of a lot of pivot points here. 1, 2, 3, 4 almost, and then 5th, but then on the 6th one we finally broke. And so this is what started to make me, okay, this is a cool off play I'm looking for. Structure has broken. This thing is also getting a little bit of on the daily interval into this, extension quite a lot. And with this red candle coming in, we are going into the supply zone. And so, however, as I talked about it over the weekend as well, that I will see in the pre-market, if I can get up here somewhere in the short play around 127 into the rebound, that will be the most amazing position I can take, right? Otherwise, I would have been waiting for the break below 121. But this one was, that's why you are seeing the second play as well, that I wanted to see if I can get in 127 and 38 cents around this point. So what happened? Well, we didn't trigger this position down here because the price number went down to 121 in the pre-market today. So I can get rid of this position. This never triggered for me. And yes, it gave me the position on this one. So let's talk about it, my thinking process. I'm already in this position. Let's talk about where I opened this position. So I have to do the layout thing here to explain you a little bit better. So let's do it 2 layouts. And then on the second one, I'll have to do here Micron technology on the second chart. Here we go, and let's go to the 5 minutes interval on this second chart here. So let the things load real quick. Okay, so guys, there were a couple of things you can see in the pre-market. It was going up, and so I was watching this previous supply zone on the left hand side. You can see that is the hourly chart, and I was watching this trend line, right, and the supply zone over here, and then definitely a reaction around this trend line or the supply zone, and this is what I was wanting to go in at 127 and 38 cents. So pretty much that's what I got. I saw this thing ran up in the pre-market into that supply zone right over here, and also the rejection of the trend line. When I saw market open in the first 5 minutes, this thing just cracked below the same significant level I was watching, 127. I'm like, I got my entry, the one that I was waiting for. And again, guys, you can always set alerts on TradingView. I mean, I do like many charts a day. So, and I do these different time frames and analysis as well on a bigger screen. And then I have alerts set up the place. If you have been seeing my videos, you already know the areas to watch, and then you can just go and set alerts on TradingView. Once the price reaches that area, it just triggers your alert for you. Okay, so yeah, this thing, I entered the position, and so I'm already in the position on this. So you got my thinking process. Let's go back to the single layout again. And yeah, so I entered this short play at that significant level break, a little bit lower though, because I was waiting for that break fully, 127 around below that. So I'm still in the play. Now, this is a great one. I got it. I'm already making money on this, taking some partial profits out throughout the journey. And then I'm just targeting for now 200 hours moving average, wherever that will be. And I'll see if I want to hold it longer. But this is at least the play that I'm in. Loving it so far. And that's pretty much the update, guys. Easy peasy, right? Easy peasy trade update over the weekend. The plan that I talked about, this is how trade could be taken. And I took that trade. And again, if you just follow my videos, you have everything what I'm already doing ahead of time as well. I provide you in advance everything, how I'm planning a trade, right? Cool. All right, guys, this is looking weak. I'm waiting for it to break. If it breaks today, 122 as well. Otherwise, I'm going to size out a little bit today. And if it breaks, going to hold confidently a lot more as well. But yeah, I like to size out in profits, right? So it's already looking great to me here. I think I'll size out already here. And then I'll carry, the rest. I have to check though. I did set up something already on my broker. I can't remember the exact place where I set some partial size out. I have to check if something has already been sized out because it technically has hit my 50% profit target. I just set so many alerts on my broker that I can't remember exactly where I set up on Micron there. But anyways, the partial take profit on it. So, but anyways, I wasn't expecting actually that today I'm going to get the whole move to my 50% at least, but it is what it is. Got it, loving it. So, all right, now what from here? Yeah, I'm just going to keep holding it, guys, for now. As I said, I'm targeting 200 hours moving average. That's where the bottom is almost pretty much of this, the target. And yeah, I do expect this to cool off at least to the level of 113. So some of the position, I might let it run all the way to 113, and then I'll see how it reacts around this level of 113 in the price action. But yeah, so, let's see how this cool off comes around and how much it goes. Okay. So I already gave you an update on SMCI. I closed my position fully at my take profit target on this today. So loving it. Check out my video on my channel. It's right over here. This is the video on SMCI. You can check this out to get a little bit more understanding on this. And then I talked about NVIDIA as well this morning. Let's see a little real quick what it's doing since then. So yeah, it's trying to somehow hold on to this channel. So let's go to the 5 minutes. So if you want to know where this channel came from, check out my video from the morning right over here. Here we go. Okay, NVIDIA as well I did this morning. I'll do another video on NVIDIA later today when the market has closed. But it's trying to hold on to this channel. Let's see if this holds. It's looking weak, trying to dip lower and lower. But you can see on hourly interval, it makes much more sense. So yeah, you can see that it's trying, but it's, yeah, so still trying to scrape the bottom of this channel. So let's see if we go lower. We are already weak though. Like if we can't regain $877 today when the market has closed, yeah, it's, I mean, 891 is the structural change that we were looking at, but you can see that's where we rejected. And then if bulls are just losing their last chance is everything. 877 would be the, if we can regain this today, this will be the intraday pivots on NVIDIA that bulls can hang on to a little bit, but it's just not looking promising the way it is right now. All right, Broadcom, just want to show you that as well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna a little bit size out on this today. Yeah, this thing is just having hard time continuing lower. I'm just going to, because I'm in profit. First position, you already know it knocked me out. The second one, it's trying its best to go down, but I'm just not enjoying how long it's taking. So at least just to limit my risk, right? Because I'm seeing this wick setup at above 20 days moving average. So I might want to at least a little bit size out or something just to mitigate my risk a bit. So anyways, guys, that's all for this video. Mostly I want to talk about Micron technology. I told you I'll provide you an update going in today as well. So as soon as I open my position, and much more information you can get from this video as well on Micron that I did just yesterday. So anyways, guys, that's all. If you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.